Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to show you a journal that I won. I won this from Papercraft with Kay. And Kay has been such a sweet person. She has been very encouraging to me since I've started doing paper crafts. And she had a drawing for her 500 subscribers, and she drew my name. So I'm so excited. This came all the way from Australia to Mississippi, and it's so cool to have friends all over the world. So I'm going to show you. I couldn't wait. I should have done the unboxing on camera, but I don't win very much, and when I got it, boy, I tore into it. And so I'm going to show you what I've got. I kind of kept everything together so that I could show it to you. So she is a card maker, and she made this beautiful card, and she sent a whole bunch of happy mail to go along with the journal. And here's the journal, and it is beautiful. And it pull this ribbon off so that you can see the inside. It is a fairy journal, and it is just so beautiful. The papers are so wonderful. And I was, like I said, I was so excited because I never win anything. Kay has been an inspiration to me, and I just love being friends with her. Isn't that beautiful? We met doing the Marguerite Miller Collage Challenge, I believe, and we did a challenge with Lee Creates. And that is where we kind of became friends and kept going back and forth to each other's channel. I love that. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful journal. And that's it. And it is just gorgeous. I love it. She is so talented. She does a lot of card making on her channel. I really highly recommend you go and check her out. And she had it nicely packed in all of this paper. She also sent me some happy mail. And this is beautiful, beautiful trim. I love this. I love sparkles. And I've seen these postcards on other people's channels, and I've really wanted them so badly, and I think they're so pretty. I love the fairies. She got me some slides. Set this over here. She gave me this stamp book. We're always using stamps in our collages and such. So, I mean, there are all kinds in here. And she gave me two books. Aren't they? I mean, they're so pretty. I love stamps. I used to collect them as a kid, and I sold them in the yard sale like an idiot. I'm excited about, this is vintage book pages. I don't have a lot of vintage book pages. What I have mostly is just stuff that my parents, you know, the stray thing that my parents and grandparents have. And that is harder to part with. Although this, I imagine I'll be hoarding for a while. She suggested I copy it and use it, and that's a great idea. I love this. Isn't that the coolest? I absolutely love it. And this is 1886. Can you imagine? This is amazing. Love that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm afraid today's time we just don't take the time to make things as pretty as we could. And here's another one, also in 1886. I love that. So pretty. Ledger paper. Isn't that cool? And this looks like Edith Holden. I'm not sure if it is or not, but it is beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. Some more vintage papers. Asian writing. Old music. I love that. Beautiful. Love the feel. And then we have, this is like a thin paper over, it's like dimensions and diagrams and different things. Children's wear. It's patterns is what it is. Very cool. And I had to laugh. All the way from Australia, I get the American Revolution and the Civil War. She said she thought I could use them better than she could. But I thought, you know, of all the vintage books to get, American history coming from Australia, and I just couldn't help but laugh about it. But these are so beautiful. I love the pictures, the history. I mean, it's amazing. And, we live in the South, so the Civil War is something we think a lot about, because this is a lot of wars were fought around here. So I just think it's very, very cool. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Kay, I love you. And I appreciate this so much. You just don't know how encouraging and what a good friend you've been to me. You don't get very much encouragement anymore in this world. And so I'm so very thankful for you. So y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.